How to set your site title and tagline in WordPress. First, open your WordPress dashboard. From the left side corner of your dashboard, locate the Settings option and click on it. Now in the pop-up menu, you'll find several options. Look for General and click on it. Before we proceed, let's quickly understand what a site title and tagline are. The site title is the name of your website. It's typically displayed in the browser tab and search engine results. Make it short, descriptive, and aligned with the purpose of your site. On the other hand, the tagline is a short phrase or sentence that describes the tone, philosophy, purpose, or mission of your site. It gives users a brief introduction to your website and sets expectations. To better explain this, let's say we're creating a website for a web developer in the Philippines. Our site title will be A Web Developer PH or Web Developer Philippines, and our catchy hook will be The Best and Affordable Website. As for the tagline, we've chosen We Turn Ideas into Reality to emphasize our creative approach and reliability. Now, to save your changes, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save Changes button, and you're all set.